Aisha,
All of them. Hey, I better go and rinse that glass for me that is in the sink. Let me just drink wine first.
I don't understand. You call my name, you come from room, you look, what happened?
Go and rinse the glass. Let me use that. No, there's a dirty glass in the sink. Go and rinse it for me. Let me use that and drink wine. Oh?
You like joke. You wake up from sleep while you come up with joke. wait.
Aisha, go and rinse that glass now. This thing I'm joking. Go and rinse it. Let me use that and drink wine now.
wait. You are serious?
I'm serious now.
You come out from the room. You come and sat on the chair. You call me to go inside the kitchen to rinse cup for you that you want to drink wine.
But that is your office now. That place is your office.
You are joking. Let me know that you are joking.
I'm not joking. Please go and rinse the glass. Go. Oh?
I'm on the scare you right now, my. You turn me to your mate. You come all the way from the room. You come straight. So you cannot enter inside. After now you say that I talk too much. You say that I look calm, but I talk like angry woman. But you make me angry. How can you come out from the room instead of you to go direct to the kitchen? You raise cup and you take it to do whatever I want to do. You come here to tell me that I should go and take it for you.
Hey, a man like me going to go and rinse cup. A man like me. Hey, like this cap I'm wearing does not mean anything to you. This is an also titled man you're talking to.
I don't like this cap that every time you put it on your head, you talk uzu title. You don't do uzu title with your wife, or when you go to your village, your community, you do that with all the men. But on your house, man, you do uzu title with your wife.
So the woman I married now is telling me, Ichi Odogububu to go and rinse a cup. And is it happening? Is it possible for a man that make money for the family to go to the kitchen and then rinse cup and then wash plate? Is it possible? I know why I'm leaving her.
You don't leave me for anything. What if this is not what we shall talk as man and woman? What is there for a man to rinse coffee that you want to drink, you wine, you want to drink? Come my shabad one, and she's not my business. And you expect me to? I was lying there. You expect me to get off, go to the kitchen to bring cup for you? What is wrong for a man to rinse cup, to wash plate? You don't help me on this house. Every time I'm the only person that supper on this house. I cook alone, I wash, I clean. You can't do anything because you said that you are a man.
Okay.
So because I am a woman, me, I should die that I come to the world as a woman. Am I the person that created myself as a woman?
It's all right. Before people will start saying that I'm a bad man, you are started blackmailing me emotionally. Shebi is cup, I will rinse it. You want your husband to go inside and be rinsing cup? No.
It is not about you to research the cup. It is the mentality that you think that a woman should do it. That is what I want to correction from you. And all the men that she's man listening to me. If you are hearing me, you hear it. Don't get that mentality on your head that it is a woman that she's supposed to do everything that is on the kitchen. A man, she's supposed to do it. Before a woman, she's a woman, she was a human. A man, he is a human. So all of them, they are all humans. They should do everything, help one another. Don't make me angry, Odegu.
It is me that you talk finish and you hear. So bad the can just have cup. So let me go and watch the cup and the cup I'm messing. And I crave for one you go outside.
Speak what I hear to you. Speak what me I shall hear. You don't speak your language on this thing.
I said that I'm sorry for shouting at you.
Let's go and get the cup. You make it like me I'm a bad person. I don't trust you. Let's go and get the cup. Let's go get the cup.
Did you see the dispatch I bought for you?
You are very lazy, wallahi. A man, you are very lazy. No, you are going to say that.
Let me bring this to should I go and use the cup?
Which,
Let me bring this watch I bought for you. Come, you are
if I use the cup, you make me, you command me. That is what I don't do.
It's
Because
not
I start up to touch you. Leave me alone. Go and just do what you
pass any question. Love feel cross any boundary. Love don't care about your color. Love keep us together.
You are very lazy.
People feel Maria Usa girl. And Europa feel Maria Igbo girl. No, no, no.